Hello friends! Welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng title sa ating mga Facebook name. For example is Dr. Anna Marie or Attorney Anna Marie. But before we get started, please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, open lang natin yung ating Facebook account and then mag-login tayo using our username and then password. As you can see, ang pangalan ko dito is Anna Marie. So ang gagawin natin is lagyan natin siya ng title. So punta tayo dito sa my settings and privacy. Scroll down lang natin and then itap po natin sa my settings. And then from here, punta po tayo sa my personal details. So, makikita natin dito yung ating profiles. So, itap natin sa my profiles and then makikita rin natin dito yung connected na Instagram account. If ever na may nakakonect tayong Instagram. So, itap po natin sa my name. So, guys, from this page, i-edit lang po natin yung ating first name. So, dito na tayo maglalagay ng title. Say for example, ang gusto kong ilagay is attorney. And then make sure guys na pag naglagay tayo ng attorney, huwag tayong maglalagay ng dot. Dahil once na naglagay tayo ng dot, magkaka-error po yun. So, isulat lang natin as attorney and then walang dot, then yung pangalan po natin. And then i-preview po natin. Meron tayong dalawang choices dito. So, for example, is Attorney Anna Marie or pwedeng mauna yung ating last name. Alright? So, ganun lang po kadali guys ang maglagay ng title sa ating Facebook name. And then, mag-go back po tayo. I-refresh lang natin yung ating page. And then, guys, so ito na. As you can see, nagpalit na po yung ating pangalan, Anna Marie Cruz, and then nalagyan na po ng title, which is Attorney Anna Marie Cruz. Alright guys, so that's all for now on this video. If you have any other questions, suggestions, recommendations regarding this video, feel free to send me a message down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Agyamanak. See you on my next vlog.